Now we'll start the question and answer. And if anybody would like to even come on live, we can also allow them to speak any feedback as well as ask any questions.
Sahilji, I'll answer your question. What should be the factors buying web to print for India? See again, अगर आप देखेंगे पूरे purpose हमारा वही था कि web to print is not the answer to the problem. The actual problem we really need to understand what is that problem that you intend to solve in your business right now. Who are your customer types? B2B, B2C, resellers. How are they ordering? What products they are ordering, and what are your current processes? So we really need to understand and then look for a solution that helps you to solve those challenges. So any solution that really fits into your business needs is the right way to go out and select, rather than. So we also, when customers come to us, we don't say we are the best or just invest in us, because it makes no sense if we are not able to solve your challenges, not understand your problems. Like what Naimish mentioned, ये last customer जो हमारे पास था, वो उसका बहुत ही unique B2B requirement था, उसके लिए हमको काफी custom development करना पड़ा, हमको उसके customer के साथ भी technical team से discuss करना पड़ा, and ultimately we delivered. So it all depends on who are your customers, what are the challenges, and how you intend to solve that. Like अभी हमारे पास एक client आया हुआ है, they are into, their end customer is a large B2B again, who's looking for some very specific order processing, क्योंकि अभी उनको बहुत time लग रहा है वो order process करने में और बहुत errors हो रही हैं. So we are working on identifying, finding out the process and giving them a solution, and then they will decide whether to invest in us or not. Balaji sir, I mean, why many companies cannot give user experience growth like Vistaprint? So everybody can give. Even today, as I said, the Mumbai, the chai wala, MBA chai wala, or we take up. It all depends upon whether we are customer centric. It doesn't need every time. It doesn't need technology. It doesn't need. It is the thought process, or is the vision, or is the mission to drive repeat sales, is what drives the customer experience. Because अगर मेरे को है ही कि मेरे customers grow करें, मेरे customers की life easy हो, and if I am focused on that, I'll try to upgrade every possible experience for my customer. So today I'll go back to my customers and ask them after every sales, how was the experience? How can you give us insights where we can improve? What did you like about us? What did you not like about us? So this is the exercise which will help us to become Vistaprint. Vistaprint is no rocket science in itself. Only thing it has done, it is customer focused. It knows what is he knows what his target audiences are, and they are constantly working to make their life and processes better. So today we have clients, Balaji, who have transformed and offering the same Vistaprint experience. Like what we shared, couple of examples. Today they don't have to call the customers don't have to call them. They don't have to call their teams. Everything is visible online. Everything. So you will have to ultimately implement technology. One is the will, and second is using technology. Without that, there's no way we can have process oriented. For example, you go to any Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Swiggy, आप जितनी भी consistent services देख लीजिए अपने आसपास. Somewhere they know what they want to deliver, and then they're using technology. Thank you, Balaji. Thank you, Sahilji. Rashmiji, Vistaprint, yes, has the first advantage in a particular segment. I would not agree to that answer completely, because see, today print industry बहुत ही बड़ा industry है. हर एक target audience की अलग need है. Vistaprint probably could have an advantage in certain products and certain segments of the customers. Yes, लेकिन हर एक target, आज इंडिया इतना mass market है. हमारे पास छोटे गांव से लेके बड़े मेट्रो सिटीज तक की पॉपुलेशन है, उसमें अलग-अलग रेंज ऑफ लोगों की अलग-अलग रिक्वायरमेंट है. So Vistaprint honestly cannot go and match everybody's needs. Still there is huge scope. Like when I was even reading about the pizza or the chai wala आप सोचो तो हजारों चाय वाले हैं हिंदुस्तान में, हर नुक्कड़ और हर 4 रास्ते पे चाय वाले, हर 4 रास्ते पे पिज्जा वाले हैं, हर जगह टैक्सी वाले, रिक्शा वाले हमारे रोड पे गली गली में घूम रहे हैं. फिर भी द टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सी टुडे द नीड इज टू आइडेंटिफाई कि क्या चैलेंज आज भी कस्टमर फेस कर रहा है और कौन सा वो टारगेट ऑडियंस है जिसकी आप वो चैलेंज सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू आइडेंटिफाई दोस टारगेट ऑडियंस एंड challenges, and there's today also every day new startups and new giants are evolving, you know. So there's lot of scope out there, and Vistaprint has given us and because Vistaprint initiated certain things, it has given us a lot of ready audience which understands online ordering. So probably you can use their first experience to grow your own business as well. Yeah, Shri Kumar ji, you can share your question or idea, sir.
Hi, Mr. Naresh and Naimish. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
Yeah, I just have a small question here. See, we have been an advertising agency in Hyderabad for a long time. So, being an advertising agency, yes, we have overcome this designing part. We have overcome with t-shirts printing and other personalized gifting and other things, which is like smaller in terms, basically. But when it comes to the various printing aspects like paper printing, a card printing, or visiting cards printing, we don't have a proper system. Like what all you said, we are facing the problems like not having on-time deliveries. The process might stop somewhere. So as you said, it is all same with every business. Like we would like to go with an online portal, but how we can set out this? That's what the question is. How we have to set out the process, and we have a vendor issue also. Basically, the printers who work with us, because we give small portions of printing, and it might be small or big. Most of the time, it is not consistently given on deliverable times.
Sure.
So recently we had an issue with a big factory actually where they have given us some 2,000 calendars for the year 2022 as a printing order, but we were not in a position to deliver that on time due to the printer's technology, what he uses and deliverable times, what he's using here. So how we have to overcome this? How we can really get out of this challenge? That's my question.
Sure, Sri Kumari, thank you so much. One, first to appreciate, and second for your detailed question.
Yep.
As I mentioned, earlier also, we have understood like what I can see. One, your marketing agency. Second part is customers are ordering and you're outsourcing print. So what we have done is we have end-to-end. Like we have vendor modules where you can also have your outsourcing. I mean, we can easily coordinate outsourcing in terms of they will get timelines. You will be able to manage their you can get updates on their processes. So there's a lot that we have done. What we really need to do, Sri Kumar, is we will have to, like, for example, we can take up this example of your calendars,
Yeah.
and we can show you in real time, set up a proof of concept showing that how that order from your customer, probably, or on behalf of your customer, how you can upload in this system, how you can set up in OnPrintShop, and how your vendor you can pass on those orders to your multiple vendors, because the same order could have multiple vendors and outsourcing. So there's a lot that can be done. And if something is missing, we can custom build it also depending on your unique requirement. But again, as I mentioned, we will have to take up case to case and show you how that can be easily managed in terms of our solution, and then give you access to a demo store which you can share with your internal team, as well as showcase to your customers how this, and even your vendors, how this entire process from end to end can be managed.
Sure, I got it. So basically, I'm looking at to come to Delhi once.
Sure.
This expo, what you have given, then let's see, like if there is any
Even
chance I
before
would
Delhi, what I would recommend, say anybody, what we would recommend, just create a small case study, business case, where you say that these are the challenges and this is what you intend to. Just drop a mail. Our team and right consultants will be assigned to you, who understand both the print technology, print processes, and the the business needs. So they will try to set up a POC. So even before Delhi, we'll show you something so you can have more objective oriented discussion in Delhi, where you already know what can be done and what is, and then we can have more detailed discussions out there. So we don't really need to wait till Delhi. We will also share some videos demos. What we have tried to do is optimize the processes, so we are not dependent on locations or meeting each other, and you can even share with your team, sir. So it will just speed up the process.
Sure, Naresh sir.
Yes, George. We have 32 print shops in UAE, Qatar. By hardware, we are using Kodak, HP. Let us know how can you help us. So we are working with huge network of similar kind of print shops. We have a partnership management solution where you can integrate all your stores. So आपके हर एक store का order can be seen online. You can even pass on one store's orders to other stores. So depending on your current business needs, so we can take this further discussion with you. Like we have in US, Canada, we have large franchisee chains and network of print stores who are using OnPrintShop to centrally manage orders, give convenience to their end customers, as well as convenience to the back end. Like as a business owner, to give control over all the stores, what is happening, who is ordering what, how to optimize your specific stores, what orders can be passed on internally between these stores. So we have done extensive work and we have successful, like UPS store in Canada, I think has more than 380 franchisee stores, which they are managing on OnPrintShop backbone. And we have a lot of these success stories, which can, like again, all these franchisees have their own unique business model. Somebody has independent franchisees, somebody has their own ownership, somebody is only printing certain orders at certain print stores, certain orders are outsourced within the. So there's a lot that we can discuss, and if I understand more in detail your print business, we can surely help you optimizing and taking your customer experience to next level, and the productivity in-house, where repeat orders, order processing can be completely transformed. How marketing can be like for, so we have Mangeshji, we already have even a solution for online packaging, where you can create these boxes where your small orders can be managed. People can personalize on their own, or you can personalize it for their stuff. You can reach out to customers through a lot of social media, a lot of third-party marketing platform tools also integrated in OnPrintShop. So there's a lot that can be again done. Again, our approach is same, consulting approach. We would really like to understand what you mean by flexi boxes, like mithai boxes. This is something which we already have. Okay. So, sir, we can arrange a demo also on this for you, and we can also understand your specific needs. But this is already there with us, where already print companies are using our packaging module to personalize and offer end customer a very, very personalized experience, where they can see a 3D preview of the box that they personalize, and very simplified ordering, even automation in terms of the estimation. You can set up multiple price, like OnPrintShop has one of the most extensive and easy product pricing setup, where you can set up rule based, where you can set up your formulas, calculating the wastage, the print processes. So you can actually set up, so that will also help you optimize, estimating your custom size boxes. Gurvinder Singh ji, we have both. We have customization options, as well as we have SaaS software, which you can use it. AI, it's proprietary. So we have both the options, because today in print industry, what we understood that not one technology provider can do everything for you. So we custom build, we integrate third-party technologies. Like we integrated Canva, we integrated Chili Publish, we have integrated a lot of third-party ERPs, workflows, pre-flight tools. So we have done an extensive job in terms of custom building, as well as we have standard SaaS off the shelf to launch. So we have everything from a small one person printer who's using OnPrintShop to we have today out of the top 10 world's largest print companies, we have customers from 3 clients from even the top class. So we have a lot of personalized specific plans that we have built up, which can take care of your unique needs, and in your unique budgets. Another area that I would like to share, because at PrintPack we are also launching specifically small to medium print companies to optimize their customer experience, without need of IT backbone, without need of doing too many customizations or setups. How you can transform and offer a Vista print-like experience where automated updates can go to the customers, your communication with customers can be smoother and can be more professional, recorded, so future reordering can be simplified. And you can really recently we were talking to one of our customers where they needed earlier 10 sales guys, just to go down to their customers to get orders. Today they're working with 2 people, and everything has been automated. So you can see a dramatic change in terms of optimizing the order processing without going online, without worrying about e-commerce, without worrying about setting up of content, and because that is one area which a lot of print companies. So we're trying to make OnPrintShop more like an accounting software where you can just use it to optimize your processes and your customer experiences. Thank you, Gurvinder Singh ji, and we would love to hear from. And as I mentioned, sir, at OnPrintShop, our sincere goal and our one-point objective is to drive success and to give consulting advices. Consult our customers, because for them technology and working with print is not easy, and we intend to make your life easy by giving you genuine inputs and not just to look from selling OnPrintShop or selling technology. It's about really working together, solving, and if we can do it, we'll help you out. If we can't do it, we'll guide you to the right people. So that's one point agenda that we work from, is to help our customers grow and build relationships which are based on transparency and honest communication. So that's what has helped OnPrintShop today dealing with customers across 60 countries. And we have huge client base in Southeast Asia, in US, South America. We're one of the fastest growing web-to-print companies because of 2 things that we would attribute it. One is our consulting approach, where we have really kept our customers' needs as the primary focus area. And second is our support, because we really understand that as print company, technology is not your core competency. Buying a technology is easy, it is not that expensive, and everybody does it, but getting it implemented and getting it to use is where the entire difference is. So these are the 2 key areas where OnPrintShop has made a huge difference, because technology can be, anybody can build it. Today you have hundreds of IT companies across. Third part, very critical in web to print industries, the technology team has to understand the print processes, because what happens when you work with companies which don't understand the technology language, the print vocabulary or the print processes, a lot of time goes in trying to just make them understand, and still you don't get the kind of desired results. So this is another area where customers have really appreciated us, because we have made their life easy by understanding what they need, and we have given them ideas to further optimize their business, their print processes. So this is where OnPrintShop comes in. Sir, I would just, if any questions, or we could just, say, yes, sir. Very well written, Gurvinder. The tech is a virtual, so sell actual products, but it's the leverage it provides over all of the other options possible. It's, because I genuinely believe technology is not what makes a difference. How you use the technology or how you solve the problems using that technology is going to be important, because a lot of companies just buy technology thinking the other company has bought it, so if we buy it, it will know. a lot of people buy the best technology, but they don't know how to utilize it, how to communicate with customers, how to make customers' life easy, how to give better services, how to get feedback. So there's a lot that goes behind driving a success, and technology is one part of the game. It is not the complete part. So we really understand that, and we just want to communicate that. So thank you so much, sir, for attending this webinar.
You'll also get the survey
from our side once the webinar is ended, as well as you'll also get an email. So we would request you to give your feedback on the sessions and overall survey.
You can visit our OnPrintShop website, which has a lot of content in terms of research, blogs, videos, to just understand the print industry insights in terms of the current trends, how people are solving. There are a lot of case studies, success stories. So please, sir, visit our. You can connect on our LinkedIn, on our social media pages, on our website. And anytime, sir, you can drop a message to us, and we will be more than happy to get back to you and find solutions to your challenges, sir. Thank you so much for your, yeah. Thank you, Kapilji. Thanks a lot, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you for today's session, and have a great evening, and hope to see you in Delhi. And sir, please take care in this hot summer. It's burning hot. But we really need to continue. Times are tough for all of us, and it's time to get together, sir. Work as a team, work as a unit, and we sincerely believe in building a team rather than working as individuals. Today, nowhere before this was needed. Today we are going back to our ancient times where, as a family, as a society, as a village, we grew. So it's time back to get together and find solutions, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.